everyone! In today's phonics lesson, we will learn the sound of the letter P. This is the letter P and it makes the sound P. P. Let's try saying a few words which start with the P sound. P is for pan. P, p, pan. Pan. P is for pig. P, p, pig. Pig. P is for pink. P, p, pink. Pink. P is for purple. P, p, purple. Purple. P is for pencil. P, p, pencil. Pencil. P is for pizza. P, p, pizza. Pizza. P is for pineapple. P, p, pineapple. Pineapple. P is for parrot. P, p, parrot. Parrot. P is for peacock. P, p, peacock. Peacock. And not to forget me, P is for penguin. P, p, penguin. Penguin. That's all in this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you would like to see more such videos, subscribe to this channel. See you again very soon in another video. Till then, goodbye and take good care.